We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hello kids! Christmas is coming soon. What do you think about Christmas celebration? Santa Claus? Reindeer? Gifts? Or Christmas tree? Yeah, we will have one activity today based on the theme of this month. Can you guess what the craft that we will make? Here we go! We are going to make a Christmas tree. To make this Christmas tree, we will need green paper, shiny paper, brown paper, and colorful paper. Scissors, the last one, glue. For the first step, you have to fold the green paper. And then cut it to make Christmas leaves. Please cut the paper with a slanting line with your scissors. Start from bottom to the top. After that, fold the paper in each strip and stick it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a
For the second step, cut colorful paper to make the shape of ball. Then cut the shiny paper to make a star.
Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
For the last step, let's arrange it to make Christmas tree and decorate the tree.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and heaven. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good
It's done! It looks awesome! Thank you for watching! Bye!